welcome to Garbage Car Garage, and thank you for watching me. And sorry for being, away for a long time, but I'm gonna make up with this video for that. And today we're gonna do some mods for this shifter. So I've been making some stuff before that with it, but nothing with the actual plastic piece here. So today I'm not going to do anything crazy about it, maybe just to cut these unnecessary stuff here. And mostly what I need to do with this piece here is to fix this issue here, because it's old and it's already like has a lot of play there. So I'm gonna try to fix that in some way. And another thing, I already tried to rise this thing up and to shorten this thing here, like this actual stick here, and it's already not the original knob here, it's like one from Honda Jazz. But today we're gonna rise this shifter column here like really high, where I basically want the knob to be like in this part here, I guess. So we're gonna rise it like that much in that place. So stick with me here and you'll see how it will end up here. So now it's in place, and now this thing is short. So this now is in level here, like in the same level where all the vehicles of the gearbox mounted here would be. And now I love that. Just one little thing left to make, you know, a real short shifter. For that I need to extend both of these linkages here, like the shaft and this linkage here, but it will be the next project. For now it's like cheap and easy and enjoyable to do. So what I have done, I deleted some kind of mounts for this plastic covering here. Also made this from polyethylene. I'm not sure if this gonna hold, but now it's sturdy here. It's not wobbling as before, so we will see. We will see in the future, and if it does, well, kind of nice, easy way. Just, you know, heat that up, and it will, you know, you can force everywhere that like that polyethylene you can force in all kind of shapes. So I'm happy with that too. And what else? Yeah, so now I have like this part here in approximately 14 centimeters higher than the original shifting. I don't know how to call this, just like shifter. So this is 14 centimeters higher than the original shifter should be. So I'm happy with that, and I don't know, kind of fun project here. Also, it came very sturdy here, don't worry, because these are, I don't know, like free or something. Like, actually these are like for wardrobe hangers, I don't know, so cheap and could be found anywhere. Thread is also universal, and these bolts are also, you know, you can find in any shop. So alright, thank you for watching, and see you next time.